When Feodor Federenko arrived at the courthouse, he had no comment about allegations he tortured and killed Jews at Nazi death camps during World War II. The government is trying to revoke his American citizenship, which would be the first step toward deportation to West Germany and possible trial as a war criminal.
6 million, never again! 6 million, never again! 6 million!
Members of the Jewish Defense League demonstrated outside the courthouse, but U.S. Marshals told them to quiet down so they would not disrupt the court proceedings. They refused, and Fort Lauderdale police arrested Brett Becker, the Jewish Defense League's South Florida director. He was charged with trying to disrupt the trial. Later in the day, there was a brief confrontation between a Fedorenko supporter and members of the JDL.
He's one of them.
See what I mean? It's all right for them to carry.
He is. He is.
Meanwhile, security remained tight. Spectators entering the courtroom were searched as the government began to present its case against the 70-year-old defendant. Fedorenko, a former Ukrainian soldier, admits being a guard at Nazi concentration camps, but he claims he was forced into it and denies committing any atrocities. But one of the witnesses disagrees, claiming that Fedorenko killed more than a dozen Jewish children.
If you see this with your eyes, you can never forget a murder. You cannot. That's impossible.
Fedorenko is expected to testify in his own defense at the end of the trial, which is expected to continue for at least a week. Then federal judge Norman Rutger will make his ruling. Bob Kaplitz, Channel 4 News, Fort Lauderdale.
Okay, gentlemen.